In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Sony headphones on a PlayStation 5 console. Now, as you might be aware, the main way to connect the Sony WH-1000XM5 to any platform is through Bluetooth. Now, sadly, for whatever reason, even though these headphones are manufactured by Sony, you cannot connect them directly to a PlayStation 5 over Bluetooth. Consoles nowadays, including the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and even Xbox consoles, do not support Bluetooth audio devices. So sadly, you will not be able to connect them over Bluetooth. So you have some alternatives that I'm going to be talking about in this video. The most straightforward one is just going to be to use a 3.5mm audio jack. So you will be able to use them wired on your PlayStation 5. Of course, I assume most people will want to do it wirelessly, and I'm gonna give you other options to use them wirelessly, but I just wanted to mention this method. If you have the provided 3.5mm cable, you just have to plug one end into your headphones and another one into the console through a 3.5mm audio jack. With this done, all of the audio being output on the console will go directly to the headphones with no delay or latency. Now, if you want to use them wirelessly, you have two main ways that I recommend. So for the first one, you will be able to connect them to your TV. So instead of pairing them up over Bluetooth to your console, you just have to pair them to your TV. Essentially, all of the audio of your console will go over to the TV and then consequentially to the headphones. So go over to your TV settings, access the sound devices, and find it under the Bluetooth devices list. You will be able to put them into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for 7 seconds. Besides this, if you don't want to connect it to your TV or your TV does not give you the option to do so, then you will have to acquire a Bluetooth adapter. Usually you can find these in 3.5mm, so you will be able to connect them to the audio jack on your DualSense controller, and once they are connected, they allow you to connect the headphones directly to the Bluetooth adapter to listen to all of the audio being output on the console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.